This one dermatologist is outperforming thousands of creators on Instagram right now, and she has achieved something that a lot of creators are struggling to achieve at the moment. Meet Subhashini, a dermatologist, a mother, and the founder of Authentic Medi Salon. इन्होंने सिर्फ 19 रील्स Instagram पे डाली है, and these are not very heavily edited ones. And just with these reels, she got 30k followers on Instagram and generated millions of views on her dashboard. So, Subhashini has always believed that skincare doesn't need chemicals as the first solution. But over the years, she noticed that the internet was flooded with misinformation. Whether it was skincare routines, hair care advice, DIY remedies, and creams that people were blindly trusting. और यही रीजन था उनके कंटेंट क्रिएशन स्टार्ट करने का. She understood the fact that अगर लोग Instagram पे रैंडम कंटेंट देख के स्किन केयर टिप्स फॉलो कर रहे हैं, so why not let a professional teach them the right things about it by creating short form content? एंड ऑनेस्टली अगर ये कोई सर्टिफाइड एक्सपर्ट करेगा तो ऑडियंस में ज्यादा जल्दी ट्रस्ट बिल्ड होगा. तो बस फिर शी स्टार्टेड क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट. अब जितना सिंपल ये सुनने में लगता है उतना सिंपल ये था नहीं. मैनेजिंग हर फुल टाइम फैमिली, हर क्लिनिक एंड हर 2 kids was not easy at all. And to put a cherry on the top, creating content meant giving up the little free time she had for herself. बट फिर भी जब उनके पहले 10 पोस्ट पर ज्यादा व्यूज नहीं आए, उन्होंने कंटेंट बनाना नहीं छोड़ा. Because she believed that even if one person could learn something from her content, it's definitely worth it. So she kept on creating. And then on one random day, Subhashini ने देखा that one of her reels was picking up. It got more than 12k comments and 200k plus views. And लोगों को ना आजकल short form content के through educate करना एक art है. Especially in the world where people's attention span is smaller than that of a goldfish. And Subhashini had figured this out. Tier list videos, comparison videos, and answering pretty basic questions that people have. ये formats उनको काफी अच्छे results दे रहे थे. पर Subhashini को सिर्फ ये content बनाने से followers नहीं मिल रहे थे. She was using AutoDM by Superprofile, which is a DM automation tool. और इस tool से ना उनकी reels पर comment replies और DMs 24/7 ट्रिगर हो रहे थे, which means consistent engagement. And these comments were also getting converted into cold leads. So AutoDM से उनको एक बहुत अच्छी monetizing opportunity मिली है. In addition to this 24/7 engagement, because as someone who is as busy as Subhashini, one cannot afford to check their phones literally every hour of the day. And here's where AutoDM acted like a personal assistant, replying to all the comments and DMs 24/7. मैं नीचे description में AutoDM का link add कर रही हूँ. You all can try it for free. And that is it. Understanding what her audience actually wants and creating educational content that doesn't feel boring and using DM automation to turn random viewers into leads. This was her A game. But here's the thing. None of these strategies would have mattered if she had never taken the first step. Here's what stayed with me after hearing Subhashini's story. It wasn't the 30,000 followers or millions of views. And definitely, it wasn't the viral reel. It was the fact that she already had the knowledge for years. The only thing she hadn't done was to share it with the world. And I think यहीं पर काफी creators overthink करते हैं. They keep waiting for the right time. But the truth is, if you won't make your content exist, how will you make it better? So, if Subhashini's journey reminded you of someone, share this video with them. And if you enjoy stories of creators who are building something meaningful, then subscribe to Superprofile India. I'll keep bringing you stories that don't just inspire you, they help you grow. Stay tuned, I'll see you in the next one.